Hi, this is Eric with Parts Doctor. Today we're going to show you how to replace your water filter cover assembly on your GE refrigerator. If you need to purchase a new water filter cover assembly for your GE refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The water filter cover assembly is located on the left side of the refrigerator compartment. To remove it, pull forward and then out. If you need to purchase a new water filter cover assembly, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the tabs on the cover assembly to the retainers on the refrigerator housing, press, and slide back into place. That's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.